Need to make a smaller listening copy from a FLAC master? This workflow is useful when you need compatibility and size savings, but want to retain the FLAC archive. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open FLAC to MP3 converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a FLAC. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Use 256 kbps for a high-quality portable copy or 192 kbps for more savings. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a compact MP3 while the lossless master stays untouched. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Do not delete the FLAC if lossless quality matters later. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.